I received this rear wiper kit from AliExpress. It's given me the idea to make a video about the AliExpress parts and accessories for our V70 Platform 2. I will show you what I bought already on AliExpress and if it's worth it or no. Bonjour tout le monde. Alors, we start by the fuel cap. I lost it a few years ago and I bought this on AliExpress. Included the spring, and I can tell it's really worth it. So don't hesitate if you need. Obviously I will put all the links on the description and if you need. So for the fuel cap, it's worth it. For the spring, which is a common issue on our car, it's really not worth it, because the pin you can see here, it's plastic pin and it's really fragile. So I really recommend you to buy it on your local dealer or online, but not on AliExpress. Regarding the rear wiper blade, I will tell you a bit later after installing. Not a part, but an accessory I bought on AliExpress is the full LED light all around the car. Really worth it. It's really cheap and it's changing the world inside the car. It's really daylight, so comfy. Another part you may consider to buy on AliExpress is the license plate LED light. I bought that for maybe €11. As mine was a bit blurred and old, and it's a good deal. There is just a little adjustment because the contact to power the light are made by two metal tongues, so you have to adjust, so, or to spread a little, but nothing major. So I can tell it's a good deal. Something I really recommend to not buy on AliExpress is the windshield trim moulding clips. Are only shits. You cannot install them, and there is a little notch that pretending you should broke when you install, and you cannot broke it because there is no pre-cut or something like that to cut easily like original one. So I really recommend you to not buy that on AliExpress. We will have that clips online in our little shop, so I will let on the description. When I bought this new set of rims for the car, I didn't have included the logo, the center logo. So I bought that in AliExpress once again, maybe 4 years ago. And how many times I washed the car with the pressure washer, and look, it's still okay, still glowing well, still shining. So good deal on AliExpress. You can get that without hesitating. These LED side markers are also 4 years or 3 years or 4 years, I forgot even. I bought that on AliExpress, and look at that, still working, still perfect. So good deal, AliExpress. By the way, I have a video about how to install. We'll put once again the link in the description, and you can buy on our little shop. You can see LED light. This one's starting to become dead, or just I have to move, but it's already 3 years, 4 years maybe, so I can forgive her. LED light, and obviously LED light. Really worth it. Another common issue on our Volvos are this surrounding of the belt. As you can see, this one is the AliExpress one, and this one is the original Volvo. Beside of the little gap here, honestly, you can buy that on AliExpress because it's worth it. Why I bought my part in AliExpress? Maybe you're wondering why I buy parts and accessories on AliExpress. Our Volvo deserves better. Yes, but I'm living in the countryside. There is no Volvo dealer at minimum 60, even 65 kilometers. And you know the dealer, in France especially, they never welcome you with a coffee, and the bill is the bill. So as much as I can, I avoid to go on the main dealer. Also in France, we don't have Volvo online shop. We cannot buy original parts online. We can buy only the mechanical parts like oil filter, springs, shock absorbers, belt, and everything. But the specific parts like these I showed you already, you cannot buy that online. If you find that, it will be in Sweden, in UK, in US, but I let you imagine if you buy this in UK or even in Sweden, it could be 10 euro plus 15 euro shipping. That's why I buy on AliExpress. Two other accessories that you may consider to buy on AliExpress for your car. This one is not specific for Volvo, but you pay that 3 euro or 4 euro, something like that, and it's really useful for my wife. So why not? Why not to buy that on AliExpress? Another one is this cell phone holder. I don't like at all the cell phone holder that you glue on the windscreen or the one you screw on here. I don't like. So as much as I can, I avoid that. And I found this little magnet holder that you glue on the dashboard, and it's perfect. You just have to glue a little plate included with the kit, or if you have a recent version of phone, it's included, there is a magnet already, so you just have to put on it, and that's it. Finally, the last part, I would say average quality, is this key shell. I bought that one because mine was really dead, and it's better than nothing. The battery is dead, but I'm not sure that you will keep that for long if you use that daily. So I would say it's average. Buy it if no choice. I will change out that in front of you, and let's see if it's worth it. I bought that on AliExpress, on Amazon. I know that it will be difficult to remove, but I forgot that there is the washer pressure in the middle. So I must be careful of the careful. I show you how to do, but don't follow me. Ça marche pas. Ah, ça y est, elle fonde. Eh ben, what a monkey business. I don't know if you can see, there is the washer fluid here. So if you put the top of the extractor here, obviously you broke it. So that's why my lovely wife here found this piece of metal to help to help. It's not like the original, it's plastic, but this one maybe will never broke, and this one finally broke. So Let's see in the future.
Parfait.
What else? Et voilà, another AliExpress spot. Validate. Allez, to finish in beauty and to celebrate the country who made these beautiful cars. I said cars because I'm really passionate about this brand and biceps. Et voilà, that's it for this small video. Obviously, if I find some more interesting parts or accessories to fit or replace some in our cars, I will let you know and I will make another video. I have already some ideas. Cheers guys, à bientôt!